Picture this.
Your garage becomes a small factory that earns money while you stay in control. No employees, no huge risks, just smart machines and steady demand. Today, people are starting profitable home businesses with low investments, using simple machines that turn raw materials into income. In this video, I'll share 19 beginner-friendly business ideas you can actually start from home. One of them could change how you earn forever. The MiniCap press machine is one of the easiest home businesses to start with very low risk. This machine costs around $80 to $150 and allows you to customize caps with logos, names, or designs using heat transfer or sublimation printing. Custom caps are always in demand for sports teams, local businesses, events, birthdays, and promotional campaigns. The profit margin is excellent. You can produce a cap for around $2 and sell it for $10 to $15. Marketing is simple. Post custom designs on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Marketplace, and local groups. Partner with schools, gyms, and small brands. With just 3 to 5 orders per day, you can quickly build a steady monthly income from home. Spa and massage candles are premium lifestyle products with high profit margins. These candles melt into warm massage oil and are popular in spas, wellness centers, and home relaxation routines. A basic candle making setup costs between $200 and $800. Production costs are low, but finished candles sell for $15 to $40 each, especially when branded as natural, aromatherapy, or luxury products. Marketing works best through Instagram Reels, Etsy, and influencer collaborations. Packaging and scent variety are key to standing out. This business is ideal for beginners because production is simple, repeat customers are common, and branding increases value without increasing costs. An automatic drag machine is used to coat nuts, candies, chocolates, and snacks with sugar or flavor layers. Small machines start around $1,500 to $4,000 and are perfect for home-based snack businesses. Coated snacks sell extremely well in gift boxes, online stores, and local shops. The magic of this business is product transformation. Cheap raw ingredients turn into premium treats. Marketing works through seasonal bundles, festival packs, and attractive packaging. Selling online, to cafes, or to local retailers creates multiple income streams. Once recipes are perfected, production becomes fast and scalable. The plush toy stuffing machine is ideal for custom toy businesses. These machines cost around $1,000 to $3,000 and allow you to stuff teddy bears, dolls, and plush characters. Personalized toys with names, messages, or event themes sell at premium prices. This business works especially well for birthdays, baby showers, gift shops, and online marketplaces. Marketing through short videos showing the stuffing process attracts huge attention. Parents love custom toys, and businesses buy them for promotions. With low material costs and emotional value driving sales, this is a high-margin, home-friendly business. Cupcake trays are essential for bakeries, home bakers, and dessert businesses. Machines cost around $2,000 to $5,000 and can operate easily from a garage or home workspace. With the rise of home baking and online dessert brands, demand for affordable packaging is constant. Trays are lightweight, cheap to produce, and sold in bulk. Marketing focuses on local bakeries, cake shops, and Instagram bakers. Custom sizes or branded trays increase profit. This business benefits from repeat orders and predictable demand, making it stable for beginners. A meatball forming machine automates a process many food businesses struggle with: speed and consistency. These machines cost about $1,500 to $5,000 and are used by restaurants, caterers, and frozen food suppliers. Selling uniform meatballs saves labor costs for clients, which makes your service valuable. You can supply ready-made meatballs or offer processing services. Marketing works through direct outreach to food businesses and wholesalers. Once clients trust your quality, they reorder regularly. This business offers strong recurring income and works well from a small, food-safe setup. Vacuum packaging extends shelf life and improves food safety, making it essential for meat, seafood, snacks, and ready meals. Machines cost around $3,000 to $7,000. Many small food brands don't want to invest in this equipment, so they outsource packaging. That's where this business shines. You charge per package or per batch, creating steady, service-based income. Marketing focuses on food producers, meal prep services, and local brands. Operating costs are low, while demand is consistent, making it an excellent home-based business. The cushion tacking machine is used in furniture upholstery to secure fabric cleanly and professionally. Machines cost around $1,000 to $3,000 and are used by sofa makers, interior decorators, and furniture repair shops. With home decor trends growing, demand for upholstery services remains strong. This business works well as a service provider rather than mass production. Marketing through furniture stores, interior designers, and local classifieds brings steady clients. Profit margins are high because labor is minimal and pricing is based on skill. Manual liquid filling machines are perfect for filling oils, syrups, soaps, sanitizers, and cosmetics. Machines cost under $1,000 and are beginner-friendly. Many small brands produce liquids but don't have filling equipment. You can offer filling services or produce your own products. Marketing is done through local businesses, online sellers, and small manufacturers. The machine is easy to clean and maintain, and each job offers strong margins. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning with minimal investment. A sublimation machine allows printing on mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. Machines range from $300 to $1,500. Customized products are always in demand for gifts, branding, and events. The real profit comes from creativity and marketing rather than volume. Social media videos showcasing custom designs attract buyers quickly. Selling online, through marketplaces, or locally gives flexibility. Once designs are created, production is fast and scalable. This business rewards creativity and consistency. Empanadas and arepas are popular comfort foods with strong takeaway demand. Small machines cost around $2,000 to $6,000 and help produce uniform products quickly. You can sell frozen items, supply restaurants, or run a small takeaway brand. Marketing through food delivery apps, local events, and social media works extremely well. Ingredient costs are low, while selling prices are high. This business thrives on repeat customers and brand recognition. Decorative cookies turn simple baking into premium gifting. Machines cost around $1,500 to $4,000 and allow shaping or printing designs. These cookies sell well for weddings, birthdays, corporate events, and holidays. Marketing through Instagram, Pinterest, and event planners brings high-value clients. Ingredients are cheap, but customization boosts pricing. This is a creative business with strong marketing and viral marketing potential. The lace tip press machine is used in hair extension and wig manufacturing. Machines cost around $1,000 to $3,000. Demand for wigs and hair products continues to grow, especially custom and premium pieces. This business works on B2B orders for salons and hair brands. Marketing through direct outreach and Instagram works best. Once clients trust quality, orders repeat consistently. It's a niche but profitable home-based business. Carpet edging machines finish rugs and mats professionally. Machines cost around $2,000 to $6,000. Many carpet sellers outsource edging instead of doing it in-house. This creates service-based income with low competition. Marketing to carpet stores, interior designers, and flooring businesses ensures steady work. The business requires skill, but offers excellent margins and long-term contracts. A mini coffee roaster costs around $1,300 to $4,000 and allows roasting small batches of specialty coffee. Freshly roasted coffee sells at premium prices. Branding and freshness are the biggest advantages. Marketing through social media, subscriptions, and local cafes builds loyal customers. Raw beans are affordable, while roasted coffee sells for 3 to 4 times the cost. This business grows through brand trust and repeat buyers. Puffed rice cakes are healthy snacks with growing demand. Machines cost around $1,500 to $4,000 and are simple to operate. Ingredients are cheap and margins are strong. You can sell flavored varieties online to gyms or health stores. Marketing focuses on health benefits and clean ingredients. This is a scalable snack business with strong repeat sales. The Ice Pop filling machine is a powerful, low-cost business idea with fast returns, especially in warm regions and family-focused markets. These machines typically cost between $1,000 and $3,000 and allow you to fill flavored ice pops, juice pops, or frozen treats quickly and hygienically. Production costs are very low, mainly water, juice, and packaging, while ice pops sell in bulk to schools, parks, events, and local stores. This business works best with volume sales, where small profits per unit add up quickly. Marketing is simple: bright packaging, local distributors, school canteens, and seasonal promotions. With consistent demand and easy operation, this is a beginner-friendly business that generates quick cash flow from home. A balloon printing machine turns ordinary balloons into high-profit promotional products. These machines cost around $2,000 to $5,000 and are used to print logos, messages, or designs on balloons for events, birthdays, brand promotions, and political campaigns. But customized printed balloons sell at premium prices, especially in bulk orders. This business thrives on B2B clients like event planners, marketing agencies, schools, and retail stores. Once clients see quality results, they often place repeat bulk orders, making this a scalable and profitable home-based business with strong margins. The puffed rice cake machine becomes far more profitable when combined with branding and flavor innovation. Machines cost around $1,500 to $4,000. The real opportunity lies in creating flavored, spiced, or health-focused rice cakes and packaging them as premium snacks. These products sell well online, in gyms, health stores, and local supermarkets. Marketing focuses on health benefits, clean ingredients, and lifestyle content on social media. With repeat customers and scalable production, this machine offers long-term growth potential from a small home setup. Every business you saw today started small, with one machine and one decision. You don't need perfection, experience, or a big budget. You need action. Which of these businesses surprised you the most? And which one would you start if you had to choose just one? Drop your answer in the comments. I reply to every serious entrepreneur. If you want supplier details, cost breakdowns, or step-by-step guides, check the link in the description. This could be the start of something big.